Hello. I didn't see it. I'm eating chips. See? I don't know. This is the name.
Can you read it?
Never.
Why?
This is my sister. She's feeling like she's good.
What did you say?
You're feeling like a princess.
I am a princess.
You're not.
I am.
Your apple that you eat, it was sweet. You're apple, not princess.
I'm a princess with my boyfriend. I am a princess.
No, apple. You are a poor princess. You're a poor princess. She is a poor princess forever.
Why poor? I have plenty of money.
Okay, can I see it? Can you prove it? Can you show it to me? Okay, give me now.
I can't give you, but I can show you. Can you sing, Hyron?
Huh?
Can you sing?
I don't wanna close my eyes. I don't wanna bullshit cause so I miss a time.
How about Hamudi? Can you tell
Amudi, she's dancing like this. Darren, makikita ko yan, ano? Ate, binidyohan ko kaya si Amudi. Ginagano niya yung pants niya. Wait lang siya, ganun. Pinapasayaw ko siya ganun. Tapos hinubad ng ganun. Thanks for watching. Hindi naman masyado.